Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to replace your old heater with a new PDR heater. Before we get started, let's determine which tools you will need. Tools you will need: 2 wine corks if you're not going to drain your spa, Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, and pliers. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Drain the spa, or you can use wine corks to plug the 3/4 inch heater hoses. Step 3. Remove the equipment door. Step 4. Remove the IQ 2020 control box lid. Using a small flathead screwdriver, disconnect the heater wires from H1 and H2 and the green ground wire from the grounding lug. Disconnect the copper bonding wire from the bonding terminal. Step 5. Unplug the Reg-Therm and Lim-Therm thermistors from the motherboard. Unplug the pressure switch wire from the P34 pressure switch port, if there is one plugged in. Step 6. Make sure the foot of the heater is disconnected from the floor of the spa. Step 7. Loosen the bleed line hose clamp on the back of the heater and remove the 1/4 inch hose. Loosen the 2 hose clamps with your pliers. Remove the inlet and outlet hose and quickly plug the hoses with the wine corks if you did not drain your spa. Step 8. Install the O-rings on your new PDR heater. Step 9. Put silicone grease on the bleed line nipple and the inlet and outlet barb nipples for ease of installation. Step 10. Thread in the Reg-Therm and Lim-Therm thermistors into the inlet and outlet of the new heater. Get those thermistors snug with the pliers. Step 11. Install the new heater. Connect the inlet and outlet hoses and bleed line hose. Tighten the hose clamps over the inlet, outlet, and bleed line nipples. Step 12. Push the heater wires up through the bottom of the control box. Strip the green ground wire. Connect a ring terminal to the ground wire. And connect the ground wire to the heater grounding lug. Step 13. If you have a 3rd generation or newer heater relay board, simply strip the black and white heater wires and connect them to H1 and H2 on the heater relay board. Step 14. Plug in the RegTherm and LimTherm thermistors. Make sure they are perfectly lined up with the pins on the motherboard, otherwise the red power light or blue logo light will start flashing and your spa will be inoperable. Step 15. Plug in the pressure switch bypass jumper on the P34 pressure switch port, J8 on the Eagle box. If the pressure switch bypass jumper is not installed, the power and ready lights or the logo lights will start flashing and your heater will be inoperable. Step 16. Connect the copper bonding wire to the bonding terminal in the IQ2020 control box. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.